What's up guys, this is going to be our room tour here for our cabin on the Spa Deck Cabin 11009 here on board the Carnival Sunshine. It is a beautiful, gorgeous, well-decorated room and I can't wait to show you. Come on, let's go on in.
Hey, come on in.
Right, so this is the view that you are greeted to as soon as you walk in the room. Of course, they do have the beds. Now, we had our beds split because it is me and my friend Peter. So we had our beds split apart for this, but they can be combined together into one queen-size bed. The couch is also convertible into a bed, so it's a full-length couch there for you, and they have the extra bedding and sheets under the bed. Let's take a look at the closet area. So over here next to the door, you're gonna find 3 separate closets. Now this is pretty standard on Carnival ships. I think they are a bit larger on this ship because of the balcony. They're a bit larger, but there's a couple of coat hangers in there. Of course, your life jackets up top. Very important that you do know where those are at in case of an emergency. Here's the second closet, an exact mirror of the first one with a shelf on top. This one is open though because there's no life jackets. And then some more coat hangers for you. Now here is our Cloud9 Spa robes. There you can see the Cloud9 Spa labeling, and then just some storage down there, maybe if you want to throw some shoes in the bottom there or something. And finally, the third closet here. And of course this one is 1, 2, 3, and then a bottom shelf down there. So this one you can definitely stack some clothes if you wanted to, some shirts or something if you ran out of coat hangers. And you can always ask your stateroom attendant for more coat hangers if you did need them, okay? Moving over here to the mini bar, you'll see that we do have an ice bucket. Now our ice bucket is not full yet, but we are gonna plan to fill that up. We do like having some ice in the room. Here is your information system. So if you wanted to call the spa, there's a direct line to that. Voicemail, wake up call, housekeeping, room service, and guest services. And then if you had a medical emergency, 911 right up there up top. Now these bottles back here, these are for an upcharge water. If you are gold, or I think it's red level or above with Carnival, you're gonna get a bottle of water just like that in your room. It'll come after 6 p.m. on that first night. So just hang in there for that. And then there's 2 glasses back here for you, you know, to pour that water and that kind of thing, okay? Some shelving up top here. I've just placed a pair of sunglasses. They're actually our official Josh Hokum sunglasses, so you can go get those over on my website if you like. They're really, really nice. And then in here we've got some storage. Now we did bring on board a 12-pack of soda. We actually brought on two 12-packs, but one's here, and then one we've got cooling in the fridge. So perfect storage little area for that there. And then somebody's actually also gifted us some gummy funnels, so we put those up there for the purpose of this video. In the safe here, we've just got some documentation right now, kind of the receipts of what's been delivered to the room so far, and then our boarding passes. But the safe, it looks like it's key code, so you just enter your 4-digit code. So we'll do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you press the lock, and now it's locked. And then unlock it, 1, 2, 3, 4, lock, and it's back open. See, so very, very simple to set that safe code. Down here below the minibar section, you do have some drawer space. Now here's your hairdryer. Let's do the check. Very nice hairdryer, very warm. I can feel it already. There's some space up top there for you to store some things as well. And then you have just pretty standard drawers. You might could throw some socks or some undergarments or something in these, okay? Over here is your waste bin, and then you do have a pull-out chair. So if you wanted to sit here, ladies, while you do your makeup, while you get ready for your formal evening, how do I look? Do I look like I'm getting ready? You would be more than welcome to do that. That's what that is there for. The minibar down here, now ours was empty. I guess you can ask them, uh-oh, there goes the water. You can ask them to fill it up, but it comes empty. And we've just put some, like I said, that other 12-pack of soda, and then somebody actually also gifted us some water, so we've put that in here and let that begin to cool as well. Up top here, you'll find your flat screen TV. This is your information center where you can get all the latest information. So you just, when you turn the TV on, it's got like the Carnival homepage. It'll tell you what shore excursions are booked. You can see what dining times are, what's happening around the ship. This is a very handy thing they've really done a lot with. And something else that's really handy recently, we just noticed, is the new way of documentation. So it's actually very personalized now. Says Josh and Peter, look what we have for you. Now this is a sales pitch. You know, this is from Carnival. This is us trying to upgrade to Cheers or get an acupuncture or Fahrenheit or even the Texas Hold'em demonstration. But it's gotten very personalized. And this is the Carnival Adventures paper, and it actually shows us that we have, it's personalized even more. It shows us that we have an excursion booked in Aruba. Thank you for your purchase. And Curacao and Grand Turk, it gives us their recommended options, their top choices or decisions. I really like that personalization. That is fantastic. I think that's a great way to kind of, from a marketing perspective, that's great to kind of pull that audience in a little bit, you know? And then over here you do have your traditional fun time. So this is the daily outline of what you'll be doing on your cruise. Everything that you need to know is in this paper. Opening times, dinner times, food times. There's always food on the ship, but you know, where it's at and when. All that stuff can be found in that fun times. And you can also download the Carnival Hub app and get it there as well. So moving over to the table here. Now I've just placed some keys here, but we have some keys in the Fun Ashore book, the Park West Art Auction, and then the Style for All books. So these are just some great reads if you were looking to read something. Now we did get the Serenity towels because we are in the spa here. These, they take me out, sun needed. You just take them out, and then when you want them exchanged, bring them back, lay them on the floor in your bathroom or whatever, or you can let your stateroom attendant know, and they'll certainly change them out for you. I did mention that this bed can, or this couch can turn into a full-size bed, as well as you do have these nice beds with the Carnival Comfort Collection duvets. They are really, really rather nice, just soft bedding. I always fall right asleep whenever I sleep on Carnival, guys. I really do. Over here, we've got the 2 nightstands, beautifully, elegantly decorated. I love the color choices of this room. It's very bright, very Caribbean kind of feel to it. 2 drawer spaces down here. If you want to throw something small down there, you can. And so then we will head out to our balcony. Now, this, guys, this is what we booked this room for. This amazing, amazing view. How do you like it, Peter?
It's really nice.
Oh, it is amazing.
What's nice about this ship is the glass is very clear, so like when you're sitting down, you can actually see.
Yes, it's not like a blue color or a tinted or anything. It's very clear glass. Yeah. So this is Port Canaveral. We're here on embarkation day. What a beautiful look at the Disney dream right there, Peter. Isn't that just breathtaking? Love it. So let's show them the bathroom, and I think that will pretty much wrap up this this room tour, guys. Light switches on the wall here. Oh, that is for your light outside. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Light switches on the wall here, so if you wanted to turn those overhead lights off, you can do it right there from the bed, so you don't have to get out of bed to turn the lights on or off. Very convenient, very handy. Now here is the room service menu, the Rise and Shine for breakfast. So you could check this, and you have to set it outside your stateroom before 3 a.m. and it will be at your room at whatever time that you choose. And then there's your snooze inside. I think there's just, yeah, these are just multiple. But I like, they've kind of redone the design of them. I really do like that. Here's your climate control system. So we've got it bumped all the way down. It's always a bit warm on embarkation day, but we do have it bumped all the way down. Very updated look to it, very sleek. I like that a lot. Here is the bathroom. Now in the bathroom you will notice that we do have the Elemis. That is because, like I said, we are in the upgraded the spa balcony, so with that you do get these Elemis lotions and shampoos and shower gels. This really is, I love the smell of it, I really do. It's honestly one of the things I most look forward to when booking a spa cabin is the, you know, the upgraded soaps and amenities and that. Here is the bathroom though, very standard bathroom as far as Carnival goes, although I will say the counter space looks to be a bit larger than normal. I do kind of like that a lot. Here is, you know, the potty, and then we have the shower with the standard shower gel. I personally really love their soap. I don't know, some people love it, some people hate it. I really love it. And then, you know, you have your towels and your pull-out mirror and that kind of stuff. But overall, guys, very nice room. It's very clean. You can tell they've really kept they've done a great job at the upkeeping of this room. So, like I said, guys, this is cabin 11009 here on board the Carnival Sunshine up in the spa. If you are thinking about coming on the Carnival Sunshine, I would recommend this room. This room is a beautiful room, and we can't wait to enjoy our beautiful 8-day Caribbean cruise. We'll see you guys. Bye.